Ever gone to make macaroni and found no milk in the fridge? This chili mac is one of our easy go-to favorite meals. So easy, creamy, and delicious. But did you know you can make it without fresh milk or butter for about $1.15 a person? Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. Making chili mac is so easy and budget-friendly to make, but you need fresh milk and fresh butter. I have the hack to make it using only shelf-stable ingredients, no fridge required. I'm making this chili mac to serve 5, but check out my recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get this recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want extra for leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator if you want to have this meal on hand ready to go in the pantry, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for one meal for 5 people or 20 people for every night for 10 years. You pick your meals and we do all the calculating, even add to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart right from our site, all free. Anyways, let me show you how easy this chili mac is to throw together. This is my one pot, no waste, no straining method. Just dump all the ingredients, boil, stir, and enjoy. So first, in a large pot on your stovetop, we're gonna combine all the dry ingredients. The cheese packets from 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. Next, we're gonna add a half a cup of real butter powder and 2.5 tablespoons of whole milk powder. Now we're just gonna stir it all together. Next, we're gonna add 4 cups of water directly to our dry ingredients and stir it all together. Once you got all of your dry ingredients all stirred together into your wet cheese sauce, now we're gonna turn our stove onto medium-high and let that start to heat up. Next, we're gonna add 1 can of no bean chili right to our pot. Now we're gonna stir it all together. Once you got your chili all mixed into your cheese sauce, now we're just gonna dump in our 2 boxes of macaroni right into our pot. Stir it all together, and now we're just gonna let it come to a boil. After a couple minutes, once your water starts boiling, you're gonna wanna keep stirring it so your noodles don't stick to the ground. Just give it a good stir and continue to let it boil. All right, after boiling for about 10 minutes, most of your water should be evaporated. We can turn our stove off and you are left with this delicious, creamy chili mac. Now, the only thing left to do is dish up. Look at how creamy and delicious that is. Oh, so easy. And enjoy. It's so creamy and so cheesy and so delicious. You've got to try this recipe. So easy, no straining, no dumping, 1 pot and you're good to go. Comment below if you've ever gone to make macaroni and found the milk carton with just a spot left. So frustrating. Have you ever tried this recipe with powdered milk? It's so delicious and it's so great to have on hand so you'll never be caught without milk with this pantry hack. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time.